What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for a brand new video. This guy's making fun of me because of my intro, what I always do. But anyways, we have Efrain with his S650. It's been a while. Haven't been here in a while. This guy abandoned me, forgot all about me. But we do have, since the S650 finally got unlocked and you can tune, P1 tuners by HP Tuners. What do you have, or what do you got going on? What tuner? What are you doing? E85?
So, full tune.
Full tune, which is what? 93?
Ghost Cam.
Ghost Cam?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
E85. The pop, snap, and crackle. And I don't remember what else.
So it just makes the room and louder.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I mean, other than that, guys, we haven't really done, well, not we, he hasn't really done much to the car. I don't think, well, you have headers coming in? Or
Yeah.
soon?
Soon.
Okay, I know we talked about he was gonna mod the car, but a little setback.
Air filters.
What'd you do?
I got it. Cold air filter.
Already?
Yeah.
All right, sure. Pop the hood. I know that. Dude, thanks for the invite. You didn't let me know. We could do an install video, something, content. Just see, guys, told you. He forgot about me. He's already modding the car without me. Let's check it out. I don't know. I finally had hood props, struts right there. But there you go. Colder intakes. That looks nice on the S650s. What are they? What brand? Steeda cold. When did you do these? You didn't even tell me anything, bro. Well, now we got the tune with this. I wish I could have showed you guys an install video and maybe before and after, how it felt and stuff. Maybe how it sounded. I know this thing likes to suck some air. So anyways, I guess we're going to go ahead and tune it and hear the Ghost Cam and maybe a few pulls. Maybe not. We'll see. Gabriel's here. This guy's grown since last time we had him on video. So in the big 2025, it's not like my old tune when I did my video. It was connect the cable and have the computer set up and all that stuff. This one is just connected to the OBD, connect to the app, make sure on your Wi-Fi, and as you guys can see, it says uploading device and it's updating, and it's gonna be a wireless tune, and that's it.
I guess.
I guess so. It just uploads a tune and we're good to go. I mean, my car's from 2012, so we don't get this fancy stuff. We're old school, baby. Am I a classic or not?
Yes.
Vintage. There you go.
Done.
Well, I'll tell you something. The old tuners tuned a lot faster than this. Just FYI, this is not a how-to-do video because we're learning how to as the process goes. So yeah, when in doubt, just go on YouTube.
See the tuner and
So we're in day 2. Sorry, this guy bought the tuner thinking that because it was just a plug and play and tune to go. So finally, day 2 or day 3, got the tune, emailed, downloaded onto the tuner. Now that's what he's doing, just syncing the car, getting the
Ghost Cam.
Ghost Cam on the car.
Complete.
You want to film outside or?
Yeah, go for it.
All right, guys. See if he did it right. Ghost Cam on the S650 with stock exhaust and a Roush X pipe, mid pipe. You don't look too happy, you're just like, eh. The face of disappointment. Rev it? From what I've seen, people always rev the Ghost Cams. I don't know if it helps. Personally, I've heard, and I'm pretty sure he's heard because his face said it all, there's better sounding Ghost Cams. I don't know, is it the exhaust? Like I said, it's only a stock exhaust, Roush mid X pipe, so maybe you drive it around. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a drive. He did take off the Ghost Cam tune and now installed the Burble Pop tune, so we should be able to hear the difference on the shifts. One other thing, guys, I take back what I said about the Ghost Cam tune. What happened was that homie forgot to open his exhaust, so we were on the Ghost Cam with closed valves, so that's why maybe it sounded a little whack. There's a smile of happiness, guys. Smiles per gallon. I hope the camera's picking it up, guys. Imagine in a tunnel.
Imagine the cops getting the cops.
You should drive in the middle of the night. It's tolerable. Like if you drive with your windows up, I'm pretty sure it won't sound that like crazy.
I don't know if the wind's picking it up.
That's what I'm saying, like it's tolerable, it's not like super crazy loud. Even with the windows down.
Wake up everyone.
That was good.
That's a good one. Get the whole fancy. Apparently it's a needle.
Yeah, it's all messed up. Spit out. The freaking neighborhood's probably freaking out.
Looks like that. I heard gunshots.
Oh yeah.
You should cut him to the dude.
Well, there you have it, guys. There is the P1 Tuners Ghost Cam and Burble Pop Tune. I think one of the reasons why the S650 hasn't been doing all that hot, like in the market, it hasn't been selling too much, was because of the tuning issues, that they were locked and you couldn't tune them. But since the tune, those tunes are now available, I'm pretty sure more people are gonna start buying them. Especially now, these are just like, you can just throw E85 on there with the tune and it's ready to go. I'm pretty sure they're probably start doing a lot better now. I know it was probably the lowest that Ford's ever like had sold. I know everybody was talking smack about it, but hey, that Burble tune was pretty cool. The Ghost Cam, not so much, or I mean, I guess what we were expecting. Now I know he doesn't have a lot done to the exhaust. I know some cars, if you throw the long tube headers or at least catless, would sound better. I don't know, I think our expectation might have been too high, and that's all it was. But it's still pretty cool tune. You were able to feel a difference. I've ridden the car stock, and compared to now, it does pull. It does feel a little better. I guess you can feel the torque. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I know he does have long tubes coming in soon, maybe in a few weeks to a month. You're gonna get those installed. I know the ghost cam is gonna sound like 10 times better once that those long tubes come in and that new revision comes in for the tune. So I'll still keep you guys updated on the S650. Now, I know I've talked about getting a new Mustang before in the past in my previous videos. Currently, now starting to be in the market. The only thing is I'm being a little picky when it comes to colors. There's not a lot of colors that I like. The one I really do like is Atlas Blue, but it only comes out in 2024. I'm trying to get a brand new car. So if anything, if I were to make a decision and get a 2025, maybe a Grabber Blue, something that I've never really thought I would really be looking at. But I'm starting to get in the market. I'm gonna start looking around. I'm just trying to get a really good interest rate, to be honest. When it comes to buying the car, I know interest rates all over the place, and I don't want to be paying a crazy interest rate just because these dealerships trying to, you know, make an extra bag off of someone. But I'll be looking around. I'm not gonna go test drive yet. What I really want to do right now is fix up the V6. All right, plans that I have for it is gonna be getting the 13 through 14 rear bumper swap with the GT500 rear diffuser with quad tips. Also need to get that deck lid painted. I need to get that rear seat delete ordered and installed as well. Because right now I took off the seats and it looks pretty nasty, but I do need that little trim that goes there. Also, I am gonna need, I'm trying to think real quick, interior wise, I don't think it needs other than the rear seat delete. I'm gonna need the the front passenger panel repainted, and I might just repaint those wide body fenders, and that might be it. Once I take care of that, guys, probably going to then start looking at this S650. So in the upcoming months, God willing, I am gonna start looking at them. I had also looked at getting a G80, a BMW, just because I just really like BMW. But the only thing that's separating me from getting the Mustang and the BMW is the sound of a V8. And lastly, looking at a C7. I don't know about the C7. Just like I said, I want something new, and if I get a used car, interest rates are like 8, 9, 7%, so I'm not trying to get that. But C7 is in the question. So those are the top 3 cars that I was looking at. Also, the fourth one, but it's not too probable, but I would want to just go look at one, is probably at a Cayman 718, the Porsche Cayman, Cayman, I don't know what you really call them, but I just, again, I really like those cars. But I don't know, they're just all over there, and I haven't made a decision really, but more than likely it's probably going to be like 70% the Mustang, and then the rest of the 30% is split between the other cars I mentioned. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. God bless.